everybody. I'm here alone and stranger in Borensberry Central, and I'm here right now in front of Hotel Vic. I am really curious to try their special waffle of the day. Treat daw ni Daddy Chef from a distance. So ito ang ating i-try ang kailang special waffle and coffee. Let's go inside. Ang ganda pati ng kailang flowers. Hotel Vic. So, eto na ang ating order. I'm so excited to try their special waffle of the day with mainit-init na kape. Wow, yummy waffle with ice cream in the middle. Did you hear the crust of their waffle? Napaka-crunchy and crispy. Ang bango pa pati ng kanilang kape. A few minutes later, simot talaga. Special shout out to the two awesome ladies from Hotel Vic. Thank you for watching and have a great day, everybody. God bless us all.